Actually, you're filming, great.
Yes.
You know, that's great for you to do.
But I have made it very clear I'm not leaving without my money, which is why I said I'm calling the police, because if you try to tell me I'm not getting my money, it will be a problem. And I'm just letting everybody know.
Okay, so
there's a debit block on your account.
Okay.
So we wouldn't be able to do the cashier's check.
So then I'll do a withdrawal. So you can't give me a cashier's check?
I wouldn't be able to because you have a debit block on your account.
What does that mean, a debit block?
So, because you know, I told you right now, if you had any fraud on your account, that's why your debit card didn't work.
Okay.
So they put a debit block, meaning we cannot withdraw anything. The only thing is that you would have to sit down with the bank to remove that debit block.
Okay, so yeah, there's no fraud, but okay, fine. So I'm here now.
I'm not sure what's going on.
Got it. Okay, so who do I speak to?
Sorry about
You have to sit
that.
down with the bank.
I know. I'm here now. Who do I speak to?
Let me see if I have someone to assist.
ASAP, please. Thank you.
So at the moment, I don't have a banker. I do have an appointment at 2. You want to come back?
No, I'll just wait. I will wait. I will literally wait. I will wait. And I'm also about to call the police, because how are you not going to give me my money out of my account? Got it. I had to call the cops to come up here because they will not access my money. They won't give me my money. They told me to come back at 2. Fuck you. I'm not coming back at 2. You're going to give me my fucking money right now. So now I'm waiting on the police to come. Keep you posted.
Whoa, wait, what? Man, look, this is why I ain't never rocked with Wells Fargo. I've heard so many different things, so many negative things about Wells Fargo. I don't care nothing about no sponsorship, whatever. Listen, Wells Fargo has been, I've heard, like one of the worst banks to do anything with. Put your money in, get money from, lend, credit cards, even work. It was an employee, and I'm not gonna say what their name is, but it was an employee that had been working with Wells Fargo for almost 2 decades. Loyal, I mean, show up to work on time, positive attitude, man. They spoke hot. When I tell you, they used to fly this person out to different places. They was a phenomenal worker. Did everything. They got so many awards with the company, and out of nowhere, out of the blue, budget cuts. We're gonna have to cut back or whatever, and it is what it is. And I was just like, wait, what? A bank that allegedly does all of this, which is, withholding people's money, not letting them take money out. Y'all, what? Ain't no way, boy.
To every department, I even emailed the CEO yesterday. Now I'm here, and they still won't release my money for this fraud. There's no fraud.
did you file a claim or like any possible fraud on your account?
I've never done any of that. Never filed a claim. I barely even used this account.
Okay.
Like this, I mostly use credit union, and now I see why. All the charges are valid.
Okay. So I spoke
Because
to.
I can go online and see everything.
So I spoke to the employee. He said he's trying to figure out exactly why there was a hold placed on your account. He's still not entirely sure exactly why that occurred.
Yeah.
But he said so that's why your account was placed on hold, because there's been some type of fraud in your account. So he said
But there's no fraud. Okay, but I hear you.
Yeah.
It's made up. It's a fraud. That's their reason for keeping my money. Okay, got it. It sounds like they're holding my money hostage for no reason.
Well, what it sounds like is the branch manager, whoever he is, he doesn't have access or the authority to unlock your account once the fraud department begins, because a lot of financial institutions do that. So once they get a notification, in a lot of
So here's the thing, right? When it comes to fraud and everything like that, she's the owner of this account. She's up there. She can provide any information that they may need just to let them know that this is the person. So tell her why. Why in the world has my account, like, what's going on? What's the activity that you guys are saying is the reason why y'all flagged? Because it has to be a reason why y'all flagged her account. What's the reason? I'm up here. I'm in person. You're not going to do it over the phone? Okay, cool. I showed up in person. Now, you tell me why in the world I can't take money out of my account. Well, it's because we flagged your account. Why? What transactions happened? Like, you can literally go and look it up. This is the reason why we flagged your account. There were, charges being taken out from Santa Monica. And You know, you're not in Santa Monica. This is the reason why they don't have any answers for this young lady.
Institutions, they lock the account and it gets sent to their fraud department.
Yeah.
Which
is normal. And
right,
you usually
right.
call on the phone, they verify the charges, and then the hold is lifted.
Right.
They didn't even do that with me.
So I think right now that's what's going on. Did you spend any money
Why
anywhere
not?
else outside of where you normally live? Like
No,
no? You didn't like travel or anything?
nothing.
Okay, any weird purchases online?
What's weird? What define a weird purchase?
Large purchases
But
on
that's-
different countries?
No, out of the country, no, I haven't made any out of the country purchases.
Okay, yeah, because that's
And I've
another
been
indicator.
traveling. No travels, no out of the country purchases.
Okay.
I'm not leaving without my money. I told the police that. Why on earth would why would she even need to go in? She doesn't use the account. If that's what, I don't know what they're saying, but if that's what they're trying to say, it's a no-go.
Okay.
That's not an option.
Okay. So the secondary joint owner, would she would, does she need to come into the branch? Or
She
does
can.
She need to call?
We can call her right now. I'm not leaving.
She can call?
We can call her right this second.
Okay.
Put her on a three-way.
Well, hold on just 1 second. So the call needs to be, does the call need to be initiated by the secondary?
But sorry, Gil. We did that yesterday, and they still didn't let it go through. We did that. She was verified. We called yesterday. So why does she need to call back?
Sure. So Ebony is saying that they attempted to with the secondary joint owner, that they did call, but they were not. They were unsuccessful in lifting the block?
They didn't lift it. They said no. First of all, my mother hasn't even. I have the debit card with her name on it.
Yeah.
I don't even remember the last time she used the debit card. It's all me. So I even said on the phone, she's not the primary account holder. She has no information about the account. So what questions are you gonna ask her?
Yeah.
She won't know the charges.
She's not gonna know the
She didn't make the charges. I made the charges. What?
That was another question I was gonna have. So, again, before I start to speak too soon, if somebody else, if she's not the primary person on the account, then I can understand why they're not gonna let her take money out of it. She's the primary. What are we doing? Like,
No, nothing.
I'm with you.
But even
Trust me.
still,
I know,
we
there's-
called in. She called in yesterday. They sent the code to my phone. They sent the code to her phone. Everything was verified, and still they won't release the hold.
I would love to make the outbound call to get your mother on in this.
Yeah.
The problem is, it needs to be.
But what is she going to? She won't have the answers. Is the problem.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
So
that's what I'm
what they're
trying
gonna
to
ask
find
her?
out.
Did you
No,
make
no.
this charge? She's gonna be like, I don't use the card.
Right.
That's my daughter's account.
I'm gonna try and get more information
Yeah.
on exactly what we need. I don't want you to have to go through this. After your experience yesterday, I'd be
Oh yeah, no,
frustrated.
I've already blasted it on TikTok.
Oh
So
gosh. Oh gosh.
yeah, it's already all over the place. I told them I was gonna call Don Lemon. I was like, you guys don't know who you're playing with. I'm not like some average girl who's gonna just
Sure.
roll over and be like, oh, they took my money. I would be like, F this money, you can have it. But it would be all over the news.
Yeah, man. It's unfortunate that people have to go through certain things like this, but that's what happens when you use these big banks. That's why I do not use any big banks. I'm gonna always stick to those doggone credit unions, or you know what, I ain't gonna put the other information out there. But yeah, man, don't trust those banks, especially banks like Wells Fargo. To be honest with you, I don't really trust Bank of America either, because I done heard some stuff about them, man. You got to be careful about what you do with certain. Do your research. And if this bank or those banks have a long history of getting over on folks, then maybe you should bank with a more local bank than rocking with one of these, man. You go. I mean, if you're gonna do anything, go with J.P. Morgan or something. But yeah, nah, it's tough that she has to go through this stuff, man. Calling after verifying and doing all of that, they definitely should have lifted. The fact that you got to come up here and do all this, you got to record, you got to put this stuff on TikTok, and from the looks of it, still didn't get your money. Nah, I'm wondering now. I'm thinking, like, how much is it? It seems like it's a lot. Like they don't want to let go of that, boy. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments, man? If you were in a situation like this and a bank didn't give you, what would you do? what would you do? I don't have an answer for y'all. I honestly, I cannot say. I don't know. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to always try to, be mindful of where I am. And I ain't trying to rock no boat. But I understand, it's her money and she needs it now. Y'all let me know what you guys think, man.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.